Having trouble with Uber Eats ID verification? Let's get your hunger satisfied without the hassle. First, ensure your ID is valid, not expired, and clearly visible. Both the front and back are usually required, so make sure you have them ready. When prompted in the Uber Eats app, tap the camera icon to begin the upload process. Position your ID within the designated frame on your screen, ensuring all four corners are captured. Good lighting is crucial. Avoid glare and shadows on your ID. A well-lit room or natural daylight works best. Make sure your face is also visible and clear if a selfie is requested. If your ID is rejected, double-check that you've submitted the correct document type. Sometimes the app might specify a particular ID, like a driver's license or passport. If you continue to face issues, navigate to the help section within the Uber Eats app. There, you can find options to contact Uber Eats support directly for further assistance with your verification. Once verified, you can confidently place your next order and enjoy your meal, knowing your account is secure.